Using no-password. Welcome to no-password.com, the no-fuss, secure way to get to your web apps. Once you're all signed up, all you have to do is visit each web app and log in once. No-password.com will remember your passwords and thereafter do all of the work to log you in. Don't worry about passwords, just get online. To get started, log into a web app. No-password.com will then ask if you want to enable automatic login for that app. Log out of the web app and visit its login page again. Notice that no-password.com takes over and you're in. Let's go back to the no-password.com portal and click on the Reload the Page button. Notice that a new card has been added to your portal. Clicking on the card launches a new tab and automatically logs you into the site. No-password.com also works with Google and Facebook single sign-on. Let's add a few more cards. You can arrange your cards for convenience by dragging cards to new positions. You can customize your no-password.com portal with the Favorites feature. Choose your favorite cards by selecting on their star icon and then display just those cards by clicking on the big star button. The House button will display all of your cards. Have more than one credential for a web app? No worries, no-password.com can remember an unlimited number of passwords. This card has 2 passwords. Click on the red button to choose the credential that you want to use. To remember additional passwords, click on the slider to disable the automatic login for a card. Click on the card. Enter your new credentials and accept the invitation to enable automatic login. That's it! Now your card has stored the new credentials. One important gotcha! You must enter the username and password. Otherwise, no-password.com will not prompt you to enable automatic login. Occasionally, that means you will have to click on an access link to get the full login form, one with username and password fields. Occasionally, you may encounter a web app that doesn't seem to work well with no-password.com. You can ask the no-password.com team for support by clicking on the Help menu option. Paste the web app's internet address into the Login At field. Describing the problem will help us resolve the issue faster. When you are done, click on the Logout option in the menu. No-password.com will automatically log out of all the sites that you have enabled for automatic login. It's important to remember you must log in to the no-password.com website to use the service. Otherwise, none of the web apps will work. As a convenience, clicking on the no-password button on the address bar will always bring you to our login page. To give you a safe login experience on the web, no-password automatically rotates your web app passwords every month. You don't even have to choose the new passwords. No-password.com will create long, random passwords that are virtually impossible for a cracker to break. The number in the Rotate Password field indicates the day of each month when your passwords are rotated on your behalf. You can disable this feature by deleting the number in the Rotate Password field. A few more words on web app passwords. You can view them by clicking on the wrench icon of each card. If you click on the trash icon, the password is deleted. You can also view all of your passwords in spreadsheet format by clicking on the Export menu. no-password.com, the no-fuss, secure way to get to your web apps. Don't worry about passwords, just get online.